Hey there, I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This is called Mighty Prompts, fresh out today from Kate Riley, and it is a collection of pre-written prompts, which is for artificial intelligence, ChatGPT, and it focuses the searching to give you the best kind of content you can possibly get. Let me show you inside here. Like to start at the end, it's $37, fresh out today. Let's look inside and give you an idea how easy this works. Done for you prompts, all set up with a library of them. Where was it here where I show you the three parts? That's probably where I want to be, is right there. Here we go, three parts. So copy and paste your chosen prompt to start generating the content. Quickly customize the prompt to fit your niche, and I'll show you how to do that. And then let the artificial intelligence go to work for you, generating the highest quality content possible. This is all about getting free content garnered and gathered and put together by the AI, by the ChatGPT. And so this allows you to generate free content. And the only cost is the prompts to get it to be high quality content. So anybody who's looking for free content, there you go. I'll scroll down here. You know, like they say, it's going to bring you a lot of content and makes ChatGPT work for you, even if you're a complete artificial intelligence beginner. So the link is in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com, and then you click the product box like this one, and it'll take you where you can grab it for $37. So fresh out today, Mighty AI Prompts, Mighty Prompts from Kate Riley. Check it out. You get a library of pre-made in different niche kind of artificial intelligence prompts that will allow you to use the chat GPT to the very best basis. So check it out. Fresh out today. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Go check out Mighty Prompts.